Okay, so here we have a I believe it's around a 1940 Clark forklift. It is a 6,000 pound capacity, I think, judging by the way it's built. The counterweights says 60 right here. I don't really know about these machines other than that. It has a lot of counterweights on it. I think it weighs well over 10,000 pounds. From what I could feel towing it home. It starts, runs, drives, doesn't stop very well. The parking brake works on it. Transmission works forward and reverse. Clutch is fine. Hydraulics work, which is nice. Battery's getting kind of low. Tilt works. Mast works. Chains look like they're in good condition. Pretty nice little machine if someone wants to go through it. Burns a ton of oil. Actually, it doesn't even burn it. Some of it just gets spit out on the ground, which is crazy. The engine needs to be gone through for sure. I mean, it runs, but I think the plugs get so fouled that it really won't take any throttle at all. Seems like someone went through it. It has this retrofit hydraulic filter on there, which they did an okay job with. This retrofit air cleaner, which is very clean in there, actually. And they retrofit this oil filter on there for the engine oil. I have an 800 cold cranking amp battery on there, which seems to do the trick for it. Seems like a pretty strong starter. It definitely moves the machine if you forget that it's in here. It gets stuck in my gravel, so I haven't driven it very much. I've driven it a couple feet, but with the lack of throttle control, it's pretty difficult to do that. So definitely needs a valve job. Currently the water is drained out of it, which is nice because the block didn't crack as far as I know. But the valve guides, among other things, definitely need done. So we will see what happens with this thing. But anyways, it's a very intact working forklift that'll lift a fair amount of weight. Got some big forks on there. They're thick. They're wide, and they're, what is that, maybe 40 inches long. So they're pretty substantial. There you have it.